HARTING's har modular PCB connectors are based on the proven DIN 41612 style connectors, providing modular and reliable connectivity for Industry 4.0, transportation, energy, medical, and other demanding applications. The har modular connectors are completely customizable using off-the-shelf components, with the ability to mix signal, power, and coax contacts in a single connector, without extended lead times or engineering costs. Signal modules are available with up to 9 pins, while coax contacts are offered in 50 and 75 ohm variants. Power modules are available with ratings up to 40 amps, and high voltage modules are rated for up to 2800 volts. HARTING har modular connectors can also be configured with plastic or metal guide pins that can be located anywhere in the connector, with fixing rails to complete the connector and hold all the modules together.